Hello everyone! Here are the 10-year backtest results of New Horizon using our high-signal, non-probability template. This is the very first template we introduced when New Horizon was officially released. So, after operating through real market conditions for quite some time, has this template maintained its performance? How has it adapted to different market environments? And here are the backtest results from the most recent 4 months using the same template. What's encouraging is that the strategy has continued to grow and maintained proper risk management. The equity curve has now reached its highest profit level since the template was first released. Now, let's take a closer look at these backtest results. First, we'll load the most recent 4 months of MNQ data, covering the period from March 1st to July 1st. Next, under the strategy section, we'll add New Horizon to the chart. Then, we'll load the more signal, not probability template. This template is designed to generate more trading opportunities, averaging around 2 to 3 trades per day. With a higher signal frequency, the waiting time between trades is significantly reduced, making it well-suited for traders who prefer more market opportunities while still following a systematic trading approach. You can compare these results with the original template we previously provided to verify everything yourself. We guarantee that this is the exact same template that was originally released with no modifications, optimizations, or parameter changes made before running this backtest. Our goal is to provide complete transparency so you can load the same data, run the backtest on your own system, and independently verify the performance. Next, we'll review the results directly through the historical data in NinjaTrader 8. Here, you'll be able to examine every trade executed by New Horizon, including entry and exit points, individual trade profits, and other trading statistics. The most notable result is the net profit of $3,240.70 achieved over the most recent 4-month MNQ backtest. More importantly, the strategy maintained a profit factor of 1.30, meaning that for every $1 lost, the system generated approximately $30 in profit. In addition, the Sortino ratio of 2.95 is another strong indicator. It suggests that the strategy generates attractive returns relative to its downside risk, meaning the profits are achieved with relatively controlled drawdowns rather than excessive risk-taking. This contributes to a more stable and sustainable equity curve over time. The strategy achieved a 1.39 risk-to-reward ratio with an average win of $130.50 versus an average loss of $93.86, meaning winners consistently outweigh losers. The largest winning trade reached $347.70, nearly twice the largest losing trade of $182.30, demonstrating strong profit potential with controlled risk. Over the 4-month period, the system executed 226 trades, averaging about 2 trades per trading day, exactly as intended for the more signal, not probability template. And here is the system's P&L curve over the past 4 months. Although the strategy experienced periods of drawdown, the equity curve continued to trend upward steadily, reaching new profit highs over time. This shows that the system has maintained its statistical edge and its ability to recover from temporary setbacks. However, there's one important point we'd like to make about drawdown. It's an unavoidable part of every trading strategy. No system moves upward in a straight line without periods of decline. There's one important factor that can make traders using the exact same strategy experience completely different results: their starting point. Take this example. Some traders start just before a profitable cycle and quickly build gains. As their profits and account size grow, they have a larger cushion to absorb the drawdowns that follow while still maintaining positive overall performance. On the other hand, if a trader starts near the equity peak, the first thing they're likely to experience is a drawdown. As a result, it may take longer for the strategy to recover and reach new equity highs. Because of this, they may initially feel that the strategy is performing worse than it did for earlier traders. However, this isn't due to any change in the strategy itself. It's simply because they entered at a different point on the equity curve. This is why patience and confidence in the system's statistical edge are essential for long-term success. Next, we'll move on to the 4-month backtest on NQ. The process and template are exactly the same as on MNQ. The main difference is the larger trading scale. Since NQ has a higher point value, profits, losses, and drawdowns are all proportionally larger. Let's see whether the strategy continues to deliver consistent performance on NQ. The NQ results are equally impressive, with a net profit of $34,109.12 and a profit factor of 1.30. Although the larger contract size results in higher drawdowns, the strategy continues to maintain its statistical edge and a steadily rising equity curve. Looking at the trade statistics, the strategy achieved a 1.41 risk-to-reward ratio, with the largest winning trade reaching $3,505.64, nearly twice the largest losing trade of $1,809.36. It also averaged 2.77 trades per day, providing frequent trading opportunities while maintaining a balanced trading pace. What do you think about these results? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. It really motivates us to keep improving. And here's a little teaser. Our most stable New Horizon template is coming soon, designed to deliver a better balance between performance, consistency, and risk management. See you in the next video.
Join the NinzaFamily forum to stay connected, ask questions, and explore ideas with our team and other traders. There's a lot more waiting for you inside. Links in the description. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.